Google has finally unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the Pixel 7, and it's a game-changer in every sense of the word. The Pixel 7 is not only a powerful device with a stunning design, but also a showcase of Google's own Tensor G2 chipset, which promises to deliver faster performance, better AI capabilities, and improved security. Come with me. Display. The Pixel 7 has a 6.3-inch FHD plus OLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 416p. The display supports HDR10+, has a peak brightness of 1400 nits, and features a 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and animations. The display also has an under-display fingerprint scanner, which is fast and reliable. The Pixel 7 has a sleek design with minimal bezels, a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection on both sides. Camera. The Pixel 7 has a dual rear camera setup, consisting of a 50MP main camera with an f/1.9 aperture, a 1/1.31-inch sensor size, multi-directional PDAF, laser AF, and OIS, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera with an f/2.2 aperture, a 114-degree field of view, and a 1/2.9-inch sensor size. The rear cameras can record 4K videos at up to 60 frames per second with gyro EIS, OIS, and 10-bit HDR support. The Pixel 7 also has a 10.8MP selfie camera with an f/2.2 aperture, a 21mm focal length, and a 1/3.1-inch sensor size. The selfie camera can also record 4K videos at up to 60 frames per second. The Pixel 7's cameras are powered by Google's Tensor G2 chipset, which enables features like Pixel Shift, which combines multiple shots to create high-resolution images, Magic Eraser, which lets you remove unwanted objects from your photos, Face Unblur, which fixes blurry faces in your portraits, Motion Mode, which adds motion blur effects to your action shots, Long Exposure Mode, which captures stunning light trails and starry skies, and Real Tone HDR+, which adjusts the exposure and colors of your photos to match what you see. Performance. The Pixel 7 is the first smartphone to feature Google's own Tensor G2 chipset, which is based on a 5nm process and has an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-X1 cores clocked at 2.85 GHz, 2 Cortex, a 78 cores clocked at 2.35 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. The chipset also has a Mali G710MP7 GPU for graphics processing. The Pixel 7 has 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. The Tensor G2 chipset is designed to deliver faster performance, better AI capabilities, and improved security for the Pixel 7. The chipset can handle tasks like speech recognition, natural language processing, image processing, and machine learning more efficiently than previous chipsets. The chipset also supports end-to-end encryption for all data on the device, as well as the Titan M2 security chip for hardware-based protection. Battery. The Pixel 7 has a 4355 mAh battery that supports both wired and wireless charging at up to 20 W each. The device also supports reverse wireless charging for other compatible devices. According to Google, the Pixel 7 can last up to 96 hours on a single charge with moderate usage. Other features. The Pixel 7 runs on Android 13 OS out of the box, which brings new features like Material You design language, live space widgets, privacy dashboard, quick tap gestures, the Hold For Me feature, and more. The device also supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Gig per second L1 plus L5, GLONASS, G1, BDS, B1i plus B1XK plus B2A, Galileo, E1 plus E5A, FuseESS, L1 plus L5, LTE, CA, and Sub. Material You design language. The Google Pixel 7 runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, which features the Material You design language. This design language is based on customizable and dynamic colors, shapes, and sizes, allowing users to create a personalized interface that reflects their style. The Android 13 OS also introduces live space widgets, which are interactive and dynamic widgets that provide users with real-time information and easy access to frequently used apps and functions. The Privacy Dashboard is a new feature in Android 13 that provides users with a comprehensive overview of their privacy settings and permissions for each app installed on their device. This makes it easier for users to control their privacy and data sharing settings. Quick tap gestures. The Google Pixel 7 also supports quick tap gestures, allowing users to perform certain actions with a simple tap or double tap on the back of the device. For example, users can double tap to take a screenshot or swipe down to access notifications. Hold for Me feature. Another exciting feature of the Google Pixel 7 is the Hold for Me feature, which allows the device to automatically wait on hold during a phone call and notify the user when a representative is available. Wi-Fi 6E. The Google Pixel 7 supports Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest and fastest version of Wi-Fi technology. This provides users with faster internet speeds and a more reliable connection. Bluetooth 5.2. The device also supports Bluetooth 5.2, which offers faster transfer speeds and improved connection stability. NFC. The Google Pixel 7 has NFC capabilities, allowing users to make mobile payments and use other NFC-enabled features. Gig per second. The device supports gig per second, A1 plus L5, GLONASS G1, BDS B1I plus B1XP plus B2F, Galileo E1 plus E5A, and QZSS L1 plus L5, providing users with accurate location information. LTE. The Google Pixel 7 supports LTE, which stands for carrier aggregation, allowing for faster data transfer speeds and a more reliable connection. The latest Android 13 OS, Material U design language, live space widgets, privacy dashboard, quick tap gestures, hold for me feature, and support for Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, gig per second, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, and LTE-CA. These features are sure to provide users with an exceptional smartphone experience that is both convenient and innovative. Thanks for watching.